I gotta show you how gorgeous it is here inside the forest. Tall pine trees. Wow. So beautiful. But it's drizzling. There's a train. There's a train. No. Oh, what's that? Oh. Majestic trees. Una na day ka diha, Chard?
Iya, na kita ni
English
sinubuhi
pa ko,
ron.
Chard. English pa ko, Chard. Lana day ka diha.
Iya, na tas ito kinabuhi, di ba?
Kanya-kanya na ni. Uy, magsunod-sunod ta kay mawala ta. Wala pa kay mapa. Let's go. Natay power. We don't read maps.
Makatawa ko, okay? Iya, na ito. Wala yung nabiguhay ba?
Wala na. What is that? That's the holy hole. Look. Looks like a mouth. A gaping mouth. Look, over there on your right.
Oo.
Oh, man. To continue, I think these are the sacred trees. Not sure. So, let's continue walking. Why do the trees have holes? Have holes. Oh, Jesus. Oh, there. Oh, there. In the bridge. Art. No, I'm using my vlog for a while. Marching on.
Pati na talayo aron
Gani.
nila.
Nasuko na to ba?
Asan mo ticket? Wala naman tatong ticket, no? Nalabay na
I
na.
don't think so. One way lang to. One way ticket. One way ticket. Uy, good. Sister Pond. Shopping station. Pa station na. Wow. Wait. You gotta take a picture. You can't capture it with pictures. You have to take a vlog or a video. Because it's so beautiful. You have to be careful. It might fall down. Mm. Foggy, it's so foggy. It's swinging. Maybe it's better to come here in the morning rather than in the afternoon. What does it say? Alishan Trail map. I'm not going there. Nasaan na ni si Richard? Oh, look at the tree. Wow, it's so really beautiful. It's mist or it's rain, but the pavement or this little road is wet. Wow, my God, how beautiful is your creation. Very, very, very beautiful. Majestic. Oh God. Look! It's like I'm inside a smoke area or a mosquito net, whatever you call it. It's like I'm inside a dome. The smoke. My God, it's so beautiful. Can't get enough of it. Wow. Wow. Do not peel off the bark, it says. Maybe other people are peeling off the bark. Oh, there's a lake. Small lake. Man-made, I think. No swimming allowed, of course. No fishing. And no frolicking in the water. Laka. Where are we going next? Pancho Boardwalk. I'm not going there. We'll just proceed to the main road. Sister Pan Shujen Temple. And then there's a CR. Are we going back to the station? Chard! Chard! Ubalik ba ta sa station? Asa tong ending? Wala ba yata yung map? We didn't bring a map. It's going to the Shujen Temple. Sister Pond. Shujen Temple is so far. 450 meters. 50 meters. Wait, let's go. Lovely, lovely place. It's kind of mysterious, but not creepy. Lord, your creation is just so wonderful. Oh my God. Grabe. Grabe kagwapo ba? Makaya. So beautiful in here. It's like I'm in a different world or in a different planet. So pure, so clean. Wow, it's a good thing they preserve this place. So let me read what it says here. Also, this is the younger sister pond. Oh, it's a product of nature. So it's not man-made. Okay. Good. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. and look for other places and show them to you later. So bye for now.